So, Kesra Forex, what is your net worth? Gathashio monya mwereri wa Kurodia TV gakunyitaga ni muthenya wa umuthi ni jitagwo Jojo wa Kamau na tokire na Kesra Forex. Na this is the first interview. Mambo ni mingi lakini leo tuko live.
Yeah, kabisa.
Habari yako?
Njema sana Kurodia TV.
No ready avesha.
No dirashedia fio no gija toshedia nigo twethaige.
Kesra Forex. Who are you?
I am a girl. Yes. I am a forex trader. That is my full-time job. And I am as well a church girl. Najua wananionanga pale kanisani. Wananionanga pale kanisa sana. And I am, well, what else? That's enough for today. Netoka tisiri dhiare hede wege.
So, Adoigima team understanding, especially Sheritum, they don't understand what is Forex. Forex Niki.
It is the buying and selling of currencies that you do globally, but we normally consider developed countries like Canada, US, Europe, those Europe countries. We don't consider the African countries, so that is what we do, exchange the currencies, but we do them online. Yes.
Is this something that pays? Todo adoigini nimeoragia ni wira ogihota ugo sustain mtotoreni wako othe.
It does, because some of us, that is what tunategemeanga. We don't have any other hustle. We do forex trading full time. Tulianza tukiwa campus, graduate, tukapeleka certificate nyumbani, tukaendelea na forex trading. So we do it full time. So it pays because that is where we get our daily bread. Yes. Yeah.
What's your fan wako? So not ututaithie muno kumenya atiriri forex, for how long does it take gukorwo kimenya oro wa forex?
Forex is a skill. It is like driving. You see how you go to unafunzwa how to drive. How long can it take? It depends on your sharpness and how you listen to the teacher, right? And how you're practicing. You know, driving huwezi poa theory peke yake alafu ka hivyo udramenya uria guthia afara. No na. So me I'll teach you theory and then you practice. The more you practice, the better you become. So forex is a skill. It is like driving. The more you do it, the better you become. It depends on how good you are at practicing. Yes.
Adugia forex and madira no horo forex. Nitona most of the people area they have cash.
Yes.
Mena besha nyingi muno yotagota gutariria. So Kesra Forex, what is your net worth?
My net worth, I am a billionaire dollar as well. Hey, how net worth utienda kwaria muno thiko ici ni undu wa thirikari. Koguo ri mamenye ndi murathime. I'm a blessed girl. That's enough. Yes.
So you are a church girl. Tukuonaga muno kanitha-ini wa JCM.
Yes.
How da imeku impact aje na life yako?
It has really impacted me to be close to God first. Tondu Ngai no tukinyithagia haria tukiri na ni okoragwo na ithu hindi ciothe. So that is one thing. Another thing, I have created so many friends, a network on idea kumenyera JCM. So JCM wana ni had very great friends including Kurodia TV, Kogashokia Gatho, na nitukena muno ginya haria tugikiari ginya guteithia haria Compassionate Gospel and our bishop. Koguo nitukenaga. Yes.
Nituonaga maita maingi hihi kwina harucia kanitha online. No ukoragwo secretary. So far nimorete ku deal na such negativity things serious koragwo ku.
Yeah, we have dealt with them because we have the positive side is bigger than the negative one. Koguo the negative shock are we are very okay. Kweragwo atirere gikoyo akiuga muti mwega ndwagaga ki gututari matunda ndwagaga. Yes, oguo rukoguo we deal on the positive side because there are positive things that we are doing and tunachorea tu hizo negativities. Yeah.
Kesla, how is family?
My family is okay. Yeah, my mom is okay, my dad is okay, and my brothers and sisters, they are very
Juicy, you had a wedding, and it was a kind of private one. What happened?
So
you officially auko soko tena.
Kire kirarito ha no go monire online niguo kuri
uyuko soko
ugo niguo kuri si uko soko mom.
Thank you so much kurera makorogo by the mafansi nera mugoga igimoga moga kanitha ginya ndu waku kuona tu o mone tu ugithoma matangatho maiga mono go makainuka how ukumera ati.
Thank you so much for the love, I really appreciate. Nimokaga namwe ginya moka inbox ko jana, I really appreciate. Ni thengi muno ni gutujoinaga na ngwiciria ni munyite nyitaga matangatho mau mothe. Thank you so much for the love.
To your fans era mari kore mena Facebook, TikTok and everywhere. Ugimera ate?
Igimera Ngai amarathime muno, and thank you for the following and engaging to my post. May God bless you. May he expand your territories. Na tuthie na mbere uguo.
Ni guthie na mbere guthomithania kana no athomithini horo wa irathi cia forex.
Ndirathi na mbere nditigite tondu bathia matisha by profession. I did mathematics and business. So ngiuga mwena ucio wa guthomithia ri kaba thomithie hustle on the other way. So I have to continue. That is my passion. I love it, and I'm welcoming everyone from wherever you are in the world. Me accommodate you so long as you understand British English. Yes, so long as you understand Britain English, you're good to go. Yeah.
To understand Kikuyu English.
Bora ni kuelewa. Yeah, we're good to go.
Your message ya Christmas ni liko?
My message is to wish them a Merry Christmas and Happy New Year. Na Ngai athi na mbere kumarameria mihaka. No muthe tuguku ni undu wa Dama.
How is your relationship na Dama?
I look up to her. She's a lady like I am, and she's very aggressive in whatever she's doing. So I really love that about her. She's so kind. So we look up to her as young girls in the business industry, and tunashukuru sana. At least we have someone to look up to. We have someone we look up to. Modoria togi ugatere au mira from nothing to something. So we still have a lot of hope. We will become how she is someday.
Wow, thank you so much.
Yes.
Social media handles ni ushajetie kore ritwa ya muthuri kana no riria